The hook. Society calls this emotional weakness, but science calls it something completely different, a survival mechanism. Fear does not mean you are weak. It means your brain is doing exactly what it was designed to do. That sudden rush in your chest, the freezing feeling in your body, the sense that something is wrong even when nothing seems to be happening. Fear doesn't just appear, it is learned. 2. Emotional identification. Many people don't realize they are living in reaction to fear. They avoid places, conversations, relationships, and opportunities without fully understanding why. Others live in a constant state of alert, as if danger could appear at any moment, and society tells them to move on, be strong, or just let it go. But the brain doesn't work that way. 3. How fear works in the brain. Fear originates in a small, primitive part of the brain called the amygdala. Its job is to detect threats and react instantly, long before rational thought has time to catch up. When the amygdala senses danger, real or perceived, it activates survival mode. Adrenaline is released, heart rate increases, muscles tense, rational thinking shuts down. All of this happens in milliseconds. The problem is that the brain struggles to tell the difference between a real threat and a remembered one. 4. Where trauma enters the story. A traumatic experience teaches the brain one powerful lesson. This is dangerous. Never let this happen again. Trauma is not just the event itself. Trauma is what the event does to the nervous system. After trauma, the amygdala becomes hyper-alert. It starts detecting threats where none actually exist. A tone of voice, a smell, a place, a familiar situation. Anything can become a trigger. 5. How trauma shapes behavior. Over time, people unconsciously adapt to fear. They may avoid conflict at all costs, struggle to trust others, seek excessive control, emotionally withdraw, or constantly expect the worst. These are not personality flaws, they are learned survival strategies. The brain believes it is protecting you. 6. Why fear persists after danger is gone. The brain prioritizes survival, not happiness. If a strategy worked once, it keeps using it, even when it's no longer necessary. This is why past trauma continues to influence present decisions. The body reacts as if the past is still happening, and the more fear is avoided, the stronger it becomes. 7. The part no one talks about. Fear doesn't just shape behavior, it shapes identity. After living in survival mode for long enough, people forget who they were before the fear. Trauma stops being something that happened and becomes something they are. But this is not permanent. 8. Powerful final reflection. Fear is not your enemy, it is a messenger. It points to moments when something was too intense to process at the time, and until it is understood, fear will keep trying to protect you, even if it causes pain. Understanding how fear works in the brain is the first step toward taking control back, not by ignoring fear, but by teaching the brain that the danger has passed. Because when the brain learns it is safe, fear no longer runs your life.